In the context of the Supreme Court supporting the Delhi government's decision to ban firecrackers till 1st January 2023, citing air pollution as the reason, a video of fireworks lighting up the night sky is being shared on social media platforms with the claim that it shows Diwali celebrations in Delhi in 2022. Reverse image search of screenshots from the video led us to a January 2022 tweet by Professor Steve Hank that carried the same video. The accompanying description states that after the mayor of Naples, Italy banned fireworks, citing COVID as a reason, the people of Naples lit fireworks past New Year's Eve. A shorter version of the video is available on YouTube channel Turning Point USA with a title connecting it to the same incident in Naples. A report by Ruptly confirms this. According to the Times of India, some people flouted the ban on fireworks even in Delhi for Diwali. But as the viral video does not show these incidents but New Year celebrations in Naples, this post is misleading.
When you come across a piece of news that seems too ridiculous to be true, don't leave things to doubt. Run searches on Google and Yandex and weigh out the true and false of the situation for yourself by looking at the facts. But first of all, before you hit that forward button, pause.